Good morning, folks. This is Redsquadron4. This is going to be box break 215. This is for a 13-14 Series 1. It's 10:58 on November 24th. Whew. My fifth break of the morning. So we'll see if I can actually speak English to you. All right. Let's start this way. There we go. There's our box number. All right, so lots of packs, lots of hits in this product. Awesome rookies, of course. That's why you're all doing this. Really nice looking designs. Everything about this is pretty cool. It's yeah, except the fact that I can't seem to open this box. All right, so we won't finesse this one. Just gonna open it. All right. Good luck, folks. All right. So, never opened a box of cards, pack of cards before. There we go. We have for the Capitals a Mike Gartner Hockey Heroes. Mike Gartner Hockey Heroes. For the Penguins, a canvas of Marc-Andre Fleury. That was the best photo they could come up with of him. Good. Excellent. Very cool. For the St. Louis Blues, we have a Young Guns for Vladimir Tarasenko. A Vladimir Tarasenko Young Gun. It's a nice one. Steven Stamkos MVP. For the Montreal Canadiens jersey, Claude Lemieux. Claude Lemieux, Upper Deck Team jersey. All. The Shining Stars for the Panthers, Jonathan Huberdeau. Jonathan Huberdeau, Shining Stars. We have a base pack. For the Devils, Damian Brunner, Young Gun. Damian Brunner, Young Guns for the Devils. A rookie for, that's interesting. Actually, that is interesting. This Damian Brunner, because it's an MVP, goes to the Red Wings. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Paul Coffey, MVP. Legend card. Congratulations to the Edmonton Oilers. We've hit a Nail Yakupov Young Guns card. Nail Yakupov Young Guns. Alright, so we have Tarasenko, we have Yakupov. Not sure if Bruner's as popular as he was. So, looks like a pretty good box, and we're just halfway through. Ah, cool. For the Montreal Canadiens, we have a Young Guns canvas of Michael Bournival. Michael Bournival, Young Guns canvas. That is not a bad first half of a box. That's the base pack. For the Capitals, we have a Michael Latta Young Gun. Michael Latta for the Capitals. For the Devils, Adam Henrique, MVP card. For the Red Wings, Dominic Hasek jersey card. Dominic Hasek game jersey. Hurricanes, we have a Jeff Skinner MVP card. Jeff Skinner. Oh my gosh, another big one for the San Jose Sharks. Thomas Hertl. Thomas Hertl, Young Gun for the Sharks. For the Blackhawks, we have a canvas of Patrick Kane. Patrick Kane. For the Oilers, Grant Fuhr Hockey Heroes. Down to our last 4 packs. For the Islanders, Kyle Okposo. Kyle Okposo Upper Deck Canvas. Another nice hit for the Edmonton Oilers, Young Guns Justin Schultz. Wow, great Young Guns class in this box. our last 2 packs. Now base pack, and if this is another base pack, that's fine. This box owes us nothing. It's a Yakupov Shining Stars. Yakupov Shining Stars insert. And that is all she wrote. So thanks everybody, great box, and I will look forward to working with you again in the future. Have a great Sunday.